You can find and add add-ins like Zoom, DocuSign, Evernote, and a bunch more. These things basically boost your Outlook game and let you run everything straight out of your mailbox. So here's how you do it. Pop open the Outlook app on your Windows or Mac, hit More Options on the left side, then click Add Apps. From there, just search whatever app you want. If you're rocking the classic Outlook, go up to the ribbon, smack home, then tap All Apps or the Get Add-ins option. Now, if that option ain't showing up, no worries. Just open up a message or start writing a new one. In the reading pane, hit More Options at the top, then click Get Add-ins. Use the search bar up top to look for any new add-ins you want. When you find one, hit Add. Once you've got it hooked into your Outlook, you'll see it pop up in the top panel while you're writing a new email. Super simple. And that's pretty much it. Easiest way to add and use add-ins in Outlook. Hope this tutorial helped you out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fresh, free tech guide vids come in your way.